Hello guys, what is up YouTube, how you are doing today? That is not a gaming video, this is another video, this is a live cam video. So I ordered a new microphone and I want to unbox this today with you. I ordered this from Amazon, so yeah. Before I ordered this, I'm recording with another shitty microphone. This is this one, and this was a very cheap microphone, and yeah. So yeah, let's go to unbox this. Okay, that is a microphone. It's a Samsung Meteor Mic USB Studio microphone computer recording. So why I ordered this, it looks very cool. Look at this design, and yeah, let's open this little box. So a little cut, sorry for this, but okay, here's a microphone. I cut it off. Oh my god, what is hanging? Okay, let's come out. Oh baby, look at this. It was metallic microphone. It looks so crazy. Whoa. Okay, it was a little thing, but you can yeah, this looks amazing. Look, it's a little microphone. You can stand it, so, and yeah, looks cool. I like the retro style of this. It was not very expensive. It's for $50 or 50 euros in my country. And yeah, it has some buttons on them. You can put the microphone out, turn the volume, and yeah, here are some for the cables, some put-ons, and yeah. So in the box is a little case for the microphone. When you put it on, so this little thing, you can put it in the little case, and yeah, can take it with you when you go on a trip, or yeah. In the case is a cable for the PC connection, here a USB cable, and an input, so you can put it in your laptop. Yeah, else I have ordered this little pop filter for the microphone. Yeah, that I for Samsung extra here. Look at this, and yeah. So the microphone is pretty amazing. I like it. The design is pretty cool, and I'm so excited to record with them. And yeah, I think I want to do tomorrow a video with this, or with this video in PixelCon or any game, and yeah, it looks pretty amazing. So this looks cool. The pop filter is very cool. Yeah, we can unbox this too. So yeah, wait. Okay, so here we have the little thing, the little pop filter. You can take it above them, so that, and then so you can tow it in this. And yeah, here's an extra thing for the for your table. You can put it on this, and then you can put it on your table so that it was standing like that. And yeah, so what else? Yeah, that was all. I think this one was a pretty cool microphone, and if you want to order this for yourself, I put the buy link in the description. It only costs $50. It's very cheap for the microphone. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this vlog or this little unboxing video. I wanna like, and yeah, hope we see you next. Bye bye.